Have you ever wondered if there is life beyond Earth? Astrobiology is a scientific field that studies the origin, evolution, and probability of life in the universe. It combines various sciences such as biology to understand living beings, astronomy to explore the cosmos, chemistry to analyze the elements that form life, and geology to study the planets and their history. Astrobiology investigates whether life exists on other planets, how life originates on Earth, and what conditions are necessary for life exists in space.
Today, I'm going to talk about where astrobiology can be studied and the cost of these studies. Astrobiology is a scientific field that studies of the possibility of life outside Earth. This career is not offered in many places, but it can be studied in some universities around the world. Astrobiology programs are mainly offered in countries such as United States, the United Kingdom, and Spain. Some institutions where research in astrobiology is developed include the NASA Astrobiology Institute, the University of Washington, the University of Edinburgh, and the Autonomous University of Madrid. In Mexico, astrobiology is usually not studied as a first degree. First, students study careers like biology, physics, or astronomy, and later a specialization in astrobiology. The cost of studying in this field depends on the country and the university. In public universities, the cost can be between $2,000 and $8,000 per year, and private or international universities can be between $20,000 or $50,000 per year. However, scholarships are often offered for students who want to study space science, which helps reduce the cost of education.
Admissions and graduation studies. Astrobiology is a eagle and competitive of the career and field of the study. Few universities of it. Most students is research of the work and study of the career. Students is finally is aptitudes of the mathematics and science in the career. The approximate duration of the 4 and the 5 and the rate of the career. In many cases is required of position and practice of the career. The field is necessary is a practice of the work is a person effectively of the business.
Jobs they can apply for an astronomy biology can you work in space agencies, universities, research centers, astronomical observatories, common position, scientific research, space scientists, astrobiologists, space data analysts, university professor. Some work in agencies such as NASA. Average salary. The salary depends great on the country and the level of experience. Approximate salary begin of care $40,000 to $7,000 per year in countries such as United States. With experience, $8,000 to $120,000 per year in research institutions or space agencies.